We're going to explore a game-changing tactic today, YouTube automation driven by AI. Are you prepared to increase your channel's popularity rapidly and with little work? Stay tuned as we are going to reveal the simplest method for beginning your road to become a YouTube sensation. Imagine enjoying your favorite beverage on a sunny beach or watching your YouTube channel grow as you sleep. With YouTube automation, it's not just a dream but a reality. But there's still more. We're utilizing AI power to accelerate the process of creating content. Together, let's transform the way you approach YouTube. Understanding YouTube automation. The modern answer for content makers looking for scalability and efficiency in their endeavors is YouTube automation. The days of scheduling, promotion, and manual uploading are long gone. Creators may free up time and energy by using automation to streamline monotonous chores and concentrate on creating compelling content. Using automation techniques can transform your productivity, whether you work as a team or alone as a creator. This will free up important resources for experimentation and innovation. YouTube automation gives artists the capacity to take charge of their channels like never before, from planning uploads to handling comments and analytics. This opens the door for successful and long-lasting growth in the always-changing digital landscape. Creators may embrace a world of opportunities and reduce their risk of burnout and exhaustion by adopting YouTube automation. Envision a world where your audience constantly receives your material at the best moments without requiring continuous manual oversight. By using automation technologies, you can take advantage of data-driven insights to improve performance, hone your content strategy, and beat out the competition. Knowing the foundations of automation, regardless of experience level or inexperience, is the first step to creating a successful and long-lasting channel in the fast-paced online world of today. The rise of AI in content creation. Artificial intelligence, AI, has become a disruptive force in the ever-changing content creation ecosystem, transforming the ways in which content creators create, optimize, and share their work. Artificial intelligence, AI, solutions reduce repetitive activities and improve creative workflows by utilizing complex algorithms and machine learning capabilities. Artificial intelligence, AI, enables producers to work smarter, not harder, from coming up with video ideas to honing editing processes. By analyzing audience engagement patterns, natural language processing algorithms allow content creators to successfully adapt their work to the tastes of their viewers. Moreover, post-production is made easier by AI-driven editing software, which enables producers to quickly and easily make polished videos of high quality. AI spurs creativity and allows producers to push the limits of storytelling and originality as the demand for high-quality content keeps rising. Creators may find undiscovered trends, unexplored niches, and maximize the impact of their content strategy by utilizing AI-generated insights. Recommendation engines driven by AI also enable personalized content experiences, strengthening audience bonds and increasing engagement metrics. AI has the ability to completely transform the content creation industry as it develops, enabling producers to unleash their creativity and achieve unprecedented success in the digital age. Tools of the trade. Acquiring the necessary tools to optimize your workflow and boost productivity is essential before venturing into the realm of YouTube automation and AI-driven video creation. Thankfully, there are a multitude of platforms and software options available to support each step of your content development process. By providing artists with crucial insights into audience metrics, keyword research, and competitor analysis, tools such as vidIQ and TubeBuddy enable them to make data-driven decisions that foster engagement and growth. Additionally, these platforms offer optimization tools that make the process of uploading videos more efficient and guarantee that your work reaches the greatest number of people. AI-powered editing software, in addition to tools geared towards the audience, is essential for improving the caliber and productivity of content creation. Platforms such as Magisto and InVideo use artificial intelligence, AI, algorithms to automate editing, making it simple for creators to turn unprocessed footage into polished videos of high quality. With capabilities like text overlays, music synchronization, and automated scene transitions, these tools enable content producers of all experience levels to develop engaging material that engages viewers and generates revenue. Creators can achieve unprecedented levels of creativity, efficiency, and success in their YouTube automation endeavors by utilizing the power of these industry tools. Crafting compelling content. The quality and relevancy of the content is the foundation of any successful YouTube channel, Even though automation and artificial intelligence, AI, technologies can expedite the content creation process. Creating engaging videos that connect with your audience is crucial to gaining a devoted following and increasing interaction. Over time, building a true connection with your audience through the integration of your own personality, narrative style, and area of expertise into your content will help cultivate trust and loyalty. You can also customize your content strategy for optimal impact by utilizing AI-generated insights and data analytics to offer insightful advice on trends, audience preferences, and content themes. To keep their audience interested and entertained in today's cutthroat digital environment, content producers need to constantly innovate and try new things. Success on YouTube depends on coming up with unique ways to stand out from the crowd, whether it be through engrossing storytelling, striking graphics, or interactive aspects. Furthermore, you can improve and optimize your content strategy by paying attention to engagement metrics and audience feedback. This will help you make sure that your videos connect with viewers and produce results. You can create a successful YouTube channel that captivates viewers and endures over time by putting quality, authenticity, and relevancy first while creating material. The road to monetization. You will unavoidably hit a crucial turning point when your automated YouTube channel gains prominence and influence. Monetization. Making the most of automation and AI speeds up the process of creating content and creates chances for income generating. YouTube producers receive a portion of the advertising revenue generated by their videos through ad revenue, which is one of the most popular ways to monetize their content. You can concentrate on expanding your audience and optimizing your ad revenue potential because automation will take care of the labor-intensive tasks of content production and optimization. Creators have access to a variety of other monetization options in addition to ad revenue, including item sales, affiliate marketing, sponsored content partnerships, and crowdfunding. Your audience-resonant items and brands can be incorporated into your content by strategically utilizing your AI-generated insights and automated content creation process to find profitable collaboration opportunities. In order to monetize your content even more and increase your earning potential, you may also explore new monetization opportunities and diversify your revenue streams as your channel expands and changes. For aspirational YouTube artists, the path to profitability becomes not just possible but attainable with automation and AI technology at your side. And there you have it, people. The comprehensive manual for using AI and automation on YouTube to maximize the potential of your channel. Are you prepared to make the leap and transform the way you create content? Please share your thoughts with us in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more strategies to win the YouTube game. Till we meet again, bye.